Hey guys, Pete from London Camera Exchange. We're here at the Design Museum in London to meet with Nikon for their press event of the brand new mirrorless system they're announcing today. We've seen so many teasers, so many trailers, and all we want to do is find out the final spec and what we can expect from them. So come along and let's check it out.
From talks earlier in the year to numerous amounts of teaser videos we have recently seen, Nikon has at long last revealed to the world their brand new system, the Z series of mirrorless cameras. With two cameras in the lineup, we see the all-purpose Z6 and the outstanding detail capturing Z7. These were pre-production models, so we were unable to keep any of the images captured by the cameras, but the launch did give us a feel for how these two beasts would handle in different environments. Both bodies share a host of features, but with them being designed for different needs, you quickly begin to see which users Nikon might be targeting with each. Housing a back-illuminated FX format full-frame CMOS sensor, the Z series capture incredible detail and vibrancy in low-light situations with the help of the XSpeed 6 processor. Newly developed focal plane phase detection autofocus covers approximately 90% of the imaging area across the sensor. The Z6 is capable of capturing up to 24.5 megapixels with 273 autofocus points, using the 100 to 51,200 ISO at a top speed of up to 12 frames per second. This makes it ideal for anyone shooting in low-lit environments, including indoor sports and weddings. The Z7 shoots up to 45.7 megapixel stills with 493 AF points using the 64 to 25,600 ISO, clocking in at a top speed of 9 frames per second. This is perfect for any landscape or high-detailed shooters out there. Very little else is different between the two models, which gives you the confidence in both cameras being built to the highest standards Nikon can produce. A large hole, much bigger than the F-mount and possibly one of the largest I have seen in a while, is found at the front of both cameras. The Nikon engineers have created a new dimension in optical performance, thanks to this giving the best balance between the mount diameter, the sensor and the flange focal distance. Creating this will allow Nikon to unlock further possibilities, increasing greater capabilities with fast apertures like f/0.95. A new mount adapter will give users even more choice, allowing the Nikon f-mount lenses to be compatible with the Z series of camera. Stabilization via image sensor shift helps produce sharp, crisp images and videos up to 5 stops faster. A single card slot is found within the deep grip that is XQD compatible, with a forthcoming firmware update to enable the use of CFast Express cards. The intuitive user interface is easy to get around using the Tilt Touch LCD screen. For anyone wanting to shoot through a viewfinder, the 3.6 million dot EVF is bright and clear with an anti-reflective coating. Silent shooting is also possible, and the EVF is flicker-free, meaning you never lose your subject's position. Made from a magnesium alloy and built to the same class weather sealings and dust resistance as the D850, the Z series are made for tougher environments. Both the Z6 and the Z7 are cinema ready with internal 4K movie recording up to 30p or Full HD up to 120. You can generate slow motion videos within the camera, and an 8K time-lapse mode is also featured. For any videographers out there, Nikon allow you to sync up with external equipment like the Atomos Ninja 5 and capture 10-bit footage via the HDMI, also supporting Atomos Open Protocol. Focus peaking and zebra lines aid your shooting, and the new N-Log profile gives a flat preset, ideal for anyone looking to color grade afterwards. Connectivity via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth allows you to take control of your Z series camera or transfer your images to a smart device once taken. For any existing Nikon users, you'll be pleased to know that your accessories will be compatible with the Z6 and Z7. While in the presentation, Nikon shared their roadmap for the future of their S-line lenses, giving users confidence in where the Z series is heading. With the release of the Z7, 2470, 35mm and FTZ mount adapter set for the end of September, and the Z6 and 50mm prime due for the end of this year, we're all looking forward to seeing what the Z series can produce and handle. With the Z series tour beginning soon, there's never been a better time to head into your local branch. For any more information, click on the link below or head into your local London camera exchange.